Let's record this. So let's try to recap. Let's try to remember what we covered yesterday. So, Miss, the first word that we covered means, yes, the first word is attracted. And as you know, the word attracted means when you are attracted to something, it means that your attention is going to something in specific, something in particular. So this is the meaning of the word attracted. I was attracted to, for example, uh, to this new smartphone, for example. This is the meaning of the word attracted. So attracted means drew the attention of. Okay. Yes, Yusuf.
Teacher, while the video was playing, we couldn't hear the animator's voice.
Okay.
It's very low.
I will check. Okay. So again. So as I said, the meaning of the word attracted, it is drew the attention of. Okay. The brightly colored flower attracted a butterfly. So the word attracted is when your attention goes or heads to something in specific. So this is the meaning of the word attracted. So let's continue. Now. I'm admitting this time sorry if I'm pausing the video. Something dazzling is so bright that it's almost blinding. Yes, Aditi.
Teacher, we are not hearing. The voice is low.
It's still low? Just a sec. Is it still low, Josephine?
Now I am not hearing anything.
Is it low? You cannot hear me as well?
Yes, I can hear you, but the video.
Yeah, just a sec. Let me check this. Okay, this is working fine. Let me check the let me check the audio setting. Sorry for this delay, miss. So everything's working fine as well here and here. Okay, so again, let me try again now. Okay, so I'm going to try something. I don't know. So, okay, so next, it's working, just do a thumbs up. Okay, so I'm going to play the video again.
Dazzling. Something dazzling. Yes, now it's good. Almost blinding.
So when something is dazzling, it is so bright. It is so bright that it is almost blinding. It is too bright, man. This is the meaning of the word dazzling. So let's continue. And yesterday we discussed, for example, what is something else that can be described as dazzling. So let me see. Cotton.
Yes.
Can you give me something that could be described as dazzling?
Do I tell you my sentence or I
Something
just
that can be described as dazzling.
the full moon?
Yes, it is dazzling. Yes. Aya, can you give me something that could be described as dazzling other than you? Other than you, Aya. Something that could be described as dazzling. Aya. Aya.
The whiteboard is dazzling because it's glowing.
Yes. So the light bulb. Did you say that? Did I hear you
What?
clearly? What did you say,
Teacher,
Aya?
I said the whiteboard is
Whiteboard.
dazzling because it's glowing.
Yeah, and shiny. Yes.
Yeah.
Uh, let
Teacher,
me
I want to tell you something.
go ahead.
Now what are you doing? Because I was in the toilet in the first of the
I'm
period.
only like we're trying to refresh our memory. We're trying to remember what we
Oh, when
covered
are we
yesterday.
going to correct the homework?
Once I'm done with the vocabulary words, okay, we're going
Okay.
to correct. We're going to move straight forward to the homework part. Okay, miss? So let's continue. Let's proceed.
Fabric. The girl's towel and clothes are made from fabric.
Okay, Miss. So Aya, please read the first sentence here. The definition of the word fabric. Aya,
Yeah.
please read the first sentence. The definition of the word fabric.
Fabric is a
Material.
fabric is a material that is woven or knitted,
Knitted.
such as clothes,
Cloth. Cloth.
cloth.
Yes. Miss, everything that you have on now, everything that you have now on, it's made from fabric. Okay, it's a material. We use this material in order to make clothes. So, a fabric, it's a type of material that is woven or knitted in order for you to wear it. Okay, okay, Miss. So, we move on. We already covered this. This is why I'm moving fast, miss, because we already made sentences. We use these words in context. So this is why I'm moving fast, miss. Okay? So we continue.
Honest. Leo was honest and told his mother the truth about the broken window.
Okay. Let me go to Tamara. Tamara. Let me go to Tamara. Tamara. I think Tamara has an internet problem. So let me go to Rahaf. Rahaf,
Yes.
please read the definition of the word honest.
Leo was honest and told his mother the truth about the broken window.
Okay, can you read the definition? What is an honest person? What do we mean by the word honest?
An honest person is truthful, fair, and trustworthy.
Did you jot down the words that we wrote yesterday about synonyms for the word honest? Did you write them,
Yes.
Sahab?
Yes.
Can
Yeah,
you,
yesterday we wrote them.
yeah, can you share them with your friends, Sahab?
Yes, I have to just get the book.
I do not want to trouble you, Rahab. Is it next to you?
No.
So it's okay. I'll choose someone else. I do not want to trouble you. Let me go to Mariam.
Yes, the truthful,
Yes.
sincere,
Sincere.
and genuine.
A genuine person. So, Miss, other than using the word honest, you might prefer to use words such as genuine, sincere, honest. It is more sophisticated, okay? So instead of using the word honest, okay, try to use these words, okay? It's fine to use the word honest, but you should enrich your uh, reservoir of vocabulary, of lexicon, okay? So try to use these words instead. So let's proceed.
Requested.
Okay, so the word is requested. Remember, Miss, see when, let me just stop sharing the screen for a minute because I want to use the whiteboard. Okay, so Miss, the word is,
Customer requested service from the waiter.
so the word is requested. Okay, let me go to Celine.
No, Miss.
Okay, let me go to Celine. Celine, are you unmuted? Let me check again. Celine. Yes, Celine. Celine, Celine, I need you next time to change your headset. Okay, because there is a very, very noisy echo coming from your headset. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So the word is requested. So can you say the word, Celine?
Teacher, can I?
Just a sec, Aya. What part of speech is the word requested, Celine? What part of speech is the word requested? Is it a noun? Read the sentence, Celine.
Is that
Customer. Customer.
the customer requests the service from the waiter?
The customer requested service from the waiter.
Oh, it's a verb.
It's a verb. See, we know the part of speech when we read the word in context. It's a verb. Okay, Celine.